Hello friends, welcome to our channel Agricos World. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the important MCQs from horticulture. These questions are useful for JRF, SRF and other competitive exams related to agriculture. Now let's move on to the first question. Most important fruit crop used for processing in India is? Pineapple is the most important crop which is used for processing in India. Hand pollination is mostly useful in which of the following crops? Hand pollination is mostly used for date palm. National Research Center for Citrus is located at. The NRC for citrus is located at Nagpur. National Horticultural Board is located at which of the following place? National Horticultural Board is located at Gurgaon. Dieback gummosis little leaf of citrus is due to which of the following deficiencies? The copper deficiency in citrus leads to dieback gummosis and little leaf. Swarnarupa is the early variety of which of the following fruit? Swarnarupa is the early variety of lychee. Karonda is the richest source of which of the following? Karonda, whose scientific name is Carissa carandis and belongs to the family Apocynaceae, is highest in the source of iron content. Rayan as the rootstock is most accepted for the commercial propagation of which of the following fruits? Rayan is the rootstock and it is most commercially used for the propagation of sapota. Where is the National Research Center for Onion and Garlic located? The National Research Center for Onion and Garlic is located at Nasik. The pungency of cabbage leaves is due to the presence of which of the following substance? The pungency in cabbage leaves is due to the presence of cyanigrin. The internal fruit necrosis of mango is due to the deficiency of which of the following nutrient? The internal fruit necrosis of mango is due to the deficiency of boron, and the deficiency of boron also leads to the internal necrosis of anola. What is the propagation method which is followed in strawberry? For the propagation of strawberries, runners are mostly used. What is the most commonly followed spacing in lime, lemon and sweet oranges? The spacing which is mostly adopted in lime, lemon and sweet orange is 6 meters by 6 meters. What is the average weight of the sword suckers which are generally used for propagation? Sword suckers are the propagating materials which are used in banana, and these are the sword suckers which are attached to the mother rhizome superficially, and they have a broad leaves at the earlier stages, and the average weight of the sword sucker is 500 to 750 grams. What is the leading variety of pomegranate which is cultivated in India? Bhagava is a leading variety of pomegranate which is cultivated in India, and it is most popular in Maharashtra. It is also known as Sinduri or Mastani, and it is bright red in color. Bronzing in guava is due to the deficiency of which of the following nutrient? Zinc deficiency leads to the bronzing in guava. Which chemical is used to reduce the post-harvest fruit drop in grape? NAA, that is naphthalene acetic acid, is used at the rate of 50 ppm to reduce the post-harvest fruit drop in grapes. What are the crops which are intercropped with mango? The crops such as papaya and garlic are usually intercropped with mango. White bud of maize is due to the deficiency of which of the following nutrient? The deficiency of zinc leads to the development of white bud in maize. Self-incompatibility exists in which of the following crops? Self-incompatibility is the inability of the pollen grains to fertilize the same flower, and self-incompatibility exists in mango, apple and anola. Central Potato Research Institute is located at which of the following place? Central Potato Research Institute is located in Kufri. Pungency of garlic is due to the presence of which of the following substance? The pungency of garlic is due to the presence of diallyl disulfide, whereas the pungency of onion is due to allyl propyl disulfide. Which of the following plant is known as Kalpavriksha? Coconut, that is Cocos nucifera, is known as Kalpavriksha. And India is in third position in the production of coconut after Indonesia and Philippines. Hollow heart of sugar beet is due to the deficiency of which of the following nutrient? Boron deficiency in sugar beet leads to hollow heart symptoms. For staying in tune with us, you can even join our WhatsApp group where the number is provided on the screen. Thank you friends. I hope you liked our video. If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Agrico's World for more content related to agriculture.